So children, continue with exercise that we had done. Now I'm telling you questions from exercise 3.3. The objective questions. Exercise 3.3. Now, first, this is on page number 51. Fill the blanks by choosing the correct options. That question pressure the sea at the sea level. First part is answer is sea level. Second part is mercury is used as a barometric liquid because it is 13.6 times. So 13.6 times. Third answer is empty space of mercury in a simple barometer is called as torricellian. Fourth part is atmospheric pressure can support how much water column? 10.34 meters. If you remember that this is the reason or we can say this is the principle of working of a lift pump or common hand pump, and this is the disadvantage why we cannot use water in the simple barometer. Then common water pump works on the principle that atmosphere exerts pressure. Then B part, some statements are incorrect. We have to correct them. The moisture present in mercury increases the barometric height of a simple barometer. So answer will be what? So it decreases. So you have to cut increases and right here decreases. Decreases the barometric height. Second is when the piston of a common water pump is raised. When the piston is raised up, which valve opens? Not the piston valve, the foot valve. So piston will cut and right there foot. Piston is there, piston will cut and right there foot. Third is what? When the piston of the common water pump is, where piston valve is written, not there. Somewhere it is written piston valve. That you have to cut. And you have to write foot valve. Obviously valve was already there because piston is coming two times in the statement. Third one, when the piston of the common water pump is lowered, its foot valve opens. So you have to cut that foot valve. Foot valve is written, you cut that and write there piston valve. Fourth one, the vertical height of mercury in a simple barometer is dependent on the area of cross section of the barometric tube. No, it is independent. So dependent is there. Look at that and write there independent. If you are tilting the tube, then also no shoes are there. Same height is recorded. Fifth one, water barometer is possible provided using barometric tube is how much height? It's given 3 meter. How much? 9 meter. Yes, it's given 9 meter long. Cut that 9 meter, you have to write what? 10.34 meter long. Okay, that is the solution for this one. Then C1, First part, true false. Aneroid parameter uses pure mercury. No, aneroid itself is dry. So why will use mercury there? Air pressure can support 13.10 meter. No, it is 10.34. So it will be also false. Third part, as you go high in the mountains, the atmospheric pressure decreases. That is true because of what? The column of the air is reducing. Lesser height of the air column, less weight will be exerted. So correspondingly, less pressure. Then fourth part, a simple barometer is compact and portable. No, it is not portable. You cannot carry it everywhere because that is one disadvantage is associated with the barometer, that due to the mercury there, openly it is kept there. So it is chances of spilling of the mercury is there. Fifth question, fourth valve of the lift pump is placed in the piston. No, fourth valve is placed where? At the smaller diameter tube. So fourth valve is where? It is also false. Then choose the correct options. D part. Water is not used as barometric liquid because it is difficult to have barometric diameter along water rises. Water sticks to solid glass tube. All of the correct. So first option is D. First answer is D part. Space above the mercury is called as Torresian vacuum. That is already you have known so many times I told also. Third one, vertical height of mercury which is simple barometer can support up to at sea level is 76 centimeter of mercury. So that will be answer will be E part. Answer will be A part. Fourth is what? When with the ink fountain pen leaks on high altitudes, why? Because pressure of air is less outside than the pressure inside. Okay. So it will be B part. Okay. Then match the following. That is E part. First answer, device for lifting groundwater. What is that? Obviously, common water pump. C. Second option, a device used to find atmospheric pressure and uses mercury. Mercury barometer. That means option number A. Third part, a device used to find atmospheric pressure which does not use mercury. It is aneroid barometer, so answer will be D part. Then fourth is what? A valve in the common water pump which does not allow the water to flow back. This is basically foot valve. B option. Then few answers are not given there for this page number 52. Answer number 2. I am writing it here. Question is, atmospheric pressure on a hill is 68 centimeter of mercury. What do you understand of the first statement? I am writing this. It means that 68 centimeter of mercury column can be supported in the simple barometer at the hill. Something more, I'll write more explanation. Pressure exerted by pressure exerted by 68 centimeter of mercury column. So pressure exerted by 68 centimeter of mercury column in barometer. Will be equal to pressure exerted by air at the surface of air at the surface of mercury in bowl in at the hill